Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the background of your picture on your phone. Using your phone to change the background of your picture. You don't need any software, any third-party software. All you need is your smartphone. You can change the background of any of your picture on your phone. Either the one you downloaded or the one you snapped with your phone, you can change the background. So now let's go ahead to the picture we want to change the background. So now I'll go to my photos. I'll select the pictures I want to change the background. So these are the three pictures I want to change the background. So that's the first step. The second step here, you are going to save them to a file. So we create a different folder and save them inside. You can see here, save to file. I'll click on save to file. So I will save it on my iPhone. So from here, I can now create a new folder here. I will name it edited pictures. So I'll click on save. I'll save it here. So now we have to locate that file through our file manager. So I'll come over here, click on, so here is the folder. I click on the folder. So here are the pictures that I want to change the background. So the first thing to do, if you want to do it one by one, no problem. But you can also select them all and then change the background. So now let me do the first one. Sing individual. So you select, come here to this three dots by the right hand side below of your screen. You see remove background. When you click on it. So now I want to remove the other background, the remaining ones. So I'll just highlight them or select them. So I remove the background at once. You can see here. So let's look at this one here. This first one now. You can see the background here is still showing. So now let's go. You can see here. It has to remove the background. No background here. No background here. Alright guys, this is how you can use your phone, your smartphone, to remove any picture background. Remind you, here I'm using a iPhone SR. So if you're using iPhone SR, this is a new trick on your phone that you can use to remove any background of your picture. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.